Hey guys, Mixed Media Girl here. So we're going to do another one of these spiderweb bowl pours. If you missed the last one that I did, I'll post the link in the description, but I really wanted to do this on a spinner. I'm going to pour it in through this. This is just from the dollar store, you guys. Pour it through here, then I'm going to take this off and then spin. I don't think I should spin it while pouring through here. Also, a lot of people really wanted me to add purple to my mix. So we're going to go ahead and do that. This is one of my Lowly Vefe silicone bowls. So I'm using some Artist Loft white. I'm going to use, this is a FolkArt glow in the dark, because we're going kind of Halloween themed here. And this is an orange. I ended up mixing a regular orange with also some glow in the dark orange. So that's got both. And then this is purple from, it's a Blicks paint. And I'm going to throw just a dash of black in here as well. Okay, good. We're going to go back to the glow in the dark. We're going to use a lot of the glow in the dark. Now the thing with the glow in the dark though is it dries pretty transparent. And unfortunately I'm about out of white. So if I don't put more of this white in there, oh no. Okay, I guess I'm out of white. Then it's just going to have a lot of transparency, so it's going to only have the purple, the orange, and the black, which isn't really a bad thing. But okay. Let's just layer one more time with the orange and the purple. And then I'm just going to top that off with a little more glow in the dark. Okay. So that should be plenty. I'm going to go ahead and pour it through this bowl. And I do have other experiments I'm going to be doing with this, like turning it the other way around. But I just really, really wanted to try it out on the spinner. I thought it would look amazing. It makes such a cool pattern. I know a whole bunch of you went out and got your own bowls after my first video, and some of you have sent me pictures, which is awesome. Always feel free to send me pictures on Facebook, in my Facebook page, or post them in my Facebook group. And this is just a cardboard box, so it's not entirely level, which is fine. Eventually I'll get a more level surface. But I'm going to go ahead and slowly pull this up. That already is just super cool. And now we spin. So you can tell the paint was definitely more in that direction. But look how it is helping keep that pattern. That's super cool. Let's do this. Let's help it over here with some more of the glow in the dark. And that shouldn't affect the color at all. Just help make sure we get these spots fully covered. Okay, here we go. Awesome. One more corner over here. I think I will do one more spin. Let's go ahead and go the other way just for fun. That is so cool. And I think I forgot to mention, but this is just a Lazy Susan under here. I got it off of Amazon for like 13 bucks, and it is like the best 13 bucks I've ever spent. And then I just put either double-sided sticky tape or just some regular tape rolled up underneath just to help hold it on there. You can use other things, of course. I just found that to be pretty easy. And then I just fashioned this cardboard box here to keep all the paint inside. So at this point, I'm going to go ahead and grab my black light, and we're going to look at this in the dark and see how well it glows. Okay, look how awesome that looks. It is so cool. Plus my box now is just glow in the dark, but That is just, I'm so excited about this, you guys. I hope you guys are as excited as I am. I am so glad I tried this on the spinner. And I absolutely agree with you guys on the purple. I think that's interesting in the dark here with the black light. Look at that blue coming out. It's very interesting. We got the blues and the greens. So let's try it without the black light on here. So as always, I can see it much better with my eyes, but it definitely has some glow in the dark. And if you set it out in the sun or something like that, it'll keep glowing for much, much longer. So really awesome. Okay, let's do a quick close-up with it not in the dark. Look at this. That white over here made some of the coolest patterns. And I think this is just so beautiful. I'm in love with it. Let me know what you guys think. Also, let me know if you have any other color suggestions, because I will definitely be doing some more of these. And I will see you all next time.